Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott, and in this video I'm showcasing some really cool camping chairs. Now, as you probably saw from that intro, they are super easy to pack up, super easy to set up, and they're very lightweight that you can carry a couple of them in a small backpack like this, go on your nice backpacking trips or hiking, and just have an easy chair to set up so that way you can enjoy a beautiful view like this. Now, these chairs were sent to me by a company called TCEK. I'm not sure how you say that, but that is how it's spelt. And they reached out to me and said, hey, we think this would fit your camping channel very well. And so they sent us two of them, one for my wife and I, and we've been loving them ever since we got them. We've used them on quite a few camping trips and some hiking, and we really do like how they function. They are a super easy way to set up a camp chair to take anywhere with you. They are very lightweight that you're not gonna have to really worry about it. And they're very strong and sturdy that way. It can carry up to, I believe, 300 pounds, so there is no worries. Even our dog can jump up on our lap and we don't have to worry about the structural integrity of these chairs being compromised. Now, as you can see, one of the coolest features about these chairs that I've not seen anybody else do is they spin. They completely rotate 360 degrees around from the point that it mounts on the ground, which is so cool, and I never realized how convenient that is. When you're sitting at camp, you can just rotate around. If you're talking to somebody, you can actually hold a conversation really nice. I can turn to my wife here and she can turn to me, and we can hold a really nice conversation and then rotate back and enjoy the view. And so these chairs are very versatile. You can use them for a lot of different things. Whether you're going hiking like we are now, or if you go backpacking, it is something that is super lightweight that you can just attach to the side of your backpack, or you can take them to the lake and enjoy time at the beach with them. Or whether you like to go overlanding or car camping. These chairs are so nice in how small they are when they are packed up that they don't take up any space when you're taking them out with you. Now, if you've been around this channel a while, you know that we like to do a lot of camping with the Jeep, and having chairs like this just allows us to bring a lot more stuff. Now, setting this chair up couldn't be any easier. All you have to do is undo the strap that holds the back of the chair together, and then undo the strap that keeps the legs together. Once you do that, those will pop out, and then you can just extend out the back and the front of the chair and you're all done. This takes a matter of seconds, and it is just as quick to pack it up, which is very convenient. So you can get these chairs in a wide variety of colors. We went with the black option here, but you can get them in red, green, or blue as well. So I will leave links in the description for you guys to go check them out if you are interested in this. Huge shout out to TCEK for sending them out. We really appreciate them and we really like them. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and with that out of the way, I'll catch you guys in the next one.